In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Eid Mubarak wallpaper in Affinity Photo. We'll walk through a clean, festive design you can use on your phone or desktop, keeping the process simple while making it look polished and celebratory. Start by opening Affinity Photo and creating a new document. Choose dimensions that match where you'll use the wallpaper. 1080 by 1920 pixels works well for most phones, while 2560 by 1440 suits many desktops. Set the color format to RGB and sRGB for accurate colors on screens. If you plan to print, bump the DPI to 300, but for digital use, 72 DPI is fine. Next, add a festive background color or gradient. A deep midnight blue blending into a rich purple or black creates a beautiful evening sky feel, and pairing that with a warm gold accent adds elegance. Select the gradient tool and try a radial gradient from the center or a linear gradient fading from top to bottom. Keep the transition smooth and avoid harsh bands by slightly adjusting the stops and opacity. This base sets the mood for the rest of the design. Now insert the Eid Mubarak text using a decorative font. Choose the Artistic Text tool, click once, and type Eid Mubarak. Look for a script or Arabic-inspired display font that's readable at a distance. Increase the size so it becomes the focal point, and consider tightening or loosening the letter spacing to enhance balance. A gold or ivory color pops well against dark backgrounds. Adding a subtle shadow or a faint outline can help it stand out without looking heavy. Center the text visually, not just mathematically, so it feels balanced with the other elements you'll add. To bring in Islamic elements, add a crescent moon, lanterns, or geometric patterns. You can draw a crescent with the shape tools, place vector icons, or drop in PNG graphics. Position a crescent near the top corner and hang lanterns at varying heights to guide the eye. Lower the opacity of background patterns so they don't fight the typography. For metallic details, try a soft gold color and gentle highlights. Apply soft glow or light effects to make the design feel magical. Open layer effects on your text or icons and enable outer glow with a warm tone and low spread. Duplicating a moon or lantern layer and applying a small Gaussian blur creates a realistic halo. Keep it subtle. You're aiming for a gentle, luminous ambiance. Finally, export your wallpaper as PNG for crisp edges or JPEG for smaller file size. Go to File, Export, choose sRGB, and set quality around 90 for JPEG. Save an editable copy so you can tweak colors or text later. Enjoy your festive wallpaper and Eid Mubarak.